After receiving the equipment, please check whether the parts are loose. Make sure there is no abnormality. Make sure the air pressure switch is lifted. If it is not, please lift it up. Take out the power cord. Connect the left side of the device. Plug in the power supply. Turn on the power switch. The compressor will start working directly after turning on the switch. It will inflate the internal gas. When the internal gas reaches 6 to 8 MPa, turn the key to turn on the power. Wait for the meter to light up. Driver seat belt on the left. The right side is the passenger seat belt. When we disconnect the seat belt on one side, the meter will indicate. Put the seat belt on. Instrument seat belt light disappears. Same for the driver's seat. Unplugging the meter light comes on. Fasten the seat belt. Instrument indicator light is back on. Driver's airbag triggers. Available to learn the entire structure. Passenger airbag triggers. Side impact sensors. Can be unplugged for voltage testing. Start the test with the airbag fully deployed. The driver's airbag is also deployed. Turn the key in the ignition and release it. Remote range control of the car collision ignition switch. Do not approach during operation to avoid loss of safety. Press the remote control forward button. The airbag inflates and bulges to protect against collision. The compressor will work again. Adjust the multimeter to 20V. Insert the black color into the negative pole. Red into the corresponding hole. The signal voltage is different. Diagnosis with OBD. Connect OBD. Turn the key to energize. Find the corresponding model. Wait for reading. Select the corresponding system diagnosis. You can check whether the current state is abnormal or not. You can use the remote control to set circuit faults. Can be set to 8 points of failure. Check the right side of the device for specific. Take fault number 7 for example. The voltage display is normal. Measure the voltage is about 8.5 volts. Now use the remote control to set a circuit fault. Voltage is abnormal. Abnormal state. When you need to restore, press the remote control again. Voltage is now restored. No abnormality. After use, turn off the power switch. Disconnect the power switch.